Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to delve into the investing app in the UK called Freetrade and tell you a bit about my experience using it, some of the benefits, some of the potential drawbacks as well to using the app, and just delve into the app itself, show you what I've been getting up to with my investments. So for those that don't know, Freetrade are a commission-free investing app which you can currently use in the UK. You can download it from the iOS App Store and the Android store as well. Currently, Freetrade have around 400,000 users within the UK. I believe I was like 198,000th user or thereabouts. I'll pop it up on the screen. I started using the app in July 2020, I believe, or may have downloaded it in June. And importantly, Freetrade, they are regulated by the FCA within the UK, which are the Financial Conduct Authority. And importantly, they're also part of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which covers your account and protects it up to £85,000 worth of assets. So a big thing to consider when creating a stocks and shares sort of portfolio is the price of which it costs you to actually buy shares, buy stocks, and actually have an account. So Freetrade have got a comparison table on their website, as you can see on the screen here. So Freetrade, compared to Hargreaves Lansdown, Interactive Investor and AJ Bell, they're considerably cheaper. I mean, not even cheaper. Freetrade do what they say on the tin, it's free. So the trades are free. The share, actually, to have the account as well, it's free. I used to have an account with a company called Share Centre. They were bought out by Interactive Investor and their fees are ridiculous. So then the main part of this video then is going to be looking into my Freetrade account on my phone. So I'll put my phone up on screen now and I'll run through actually using the app with you live. Well, not live because this is a recorded video, but you get what I mean. Anyway, so on the sort of bottom of the app, you'll have 5 different buttons which you can click on. So starting with the bottom left, you've got your portfolio. So you'll see that my portfolio has taken a significant dip. So at its peak, it was at around £4,270. And I've sold the majority of my positions now because I'm switching from a GIA, a general investment account, to an ISA. I'll explain that, my decision for that, in another video. But yeah, so on this screen then you can look at all your active positions. I've left all of my losers because I didn't really want to sell them at a loss, because you know, who wants to do that? So I've held on to some of those. And also I've held on to NEO as well, because on the ISA on Freetrade, NEO is not available to invest in. So I'm going to keep that in my GIA anyway. So here you can basically, switch between 1 day, 7 day, 1 month and max, and just look at the portfolio performance. On the next tab, you've got your insights. So here you can look at your performance of your portfolio and the breakdown by which what sector your stocks are in, which is quite a nice feature. And so if I click on portfolio performance here, you will see you can change it to max in the top right corner, and you will see before I sold my investments, my portfolio was up 27%, 27.51%, which I think is, pretty decent, isn't it? I started investing in July, so I made nearly £1,000 off my money. So the next tab along is the Discover tab. So here, simply, you can discover all new stocks to invest in. So for example, you'd go here, search, let's go for example, Tesla. And you click Tesla, and you can analyze the charts of Tesla. It's very simple charts. I'd advise you do external research off the app and only use the app to actually buy the stocks themselves. So you can see here of my Tesla positions, I bought shares in Tesla for £100 I put in, and I took out 271. So I made £171 on Tesla, so around 171% off my initial investment last July 2020. But just to show you, to buy them, you literally just click the buy button, type in the amount, and with Freetrade it's fractional shares, and fractional shares mean that you can buy simply a fraction of a share. So you could invest £5, you could buy £5 worth of Tesla. You don't have to buy a whole stock, you know, which is very good, especially if you're just getting into it and just testing the waters. You don't want to have to be paying, you know, $800 or whatever just for one Tesla stock. So that's how that works. Then the next section is your activity. So this records all your buys, all your top-ups to your account, and also all your sells as well. So this was all my activity in July, September, November, and so on. You get the picture. And included here is any sort of dividend income. Here you can see I got a dividend payment from the S&P 500. So yeah, that's pretty much that section as well. Then moving on to the account. Here is just, it will tell you how much withdrawable cash that you have, how much unsettled cash you have, reserved cash and total cash. And to find out exactly what they are, so withdrawable cash is cash in your account that can be withdrawn to your bank account instantly. Unsettled is when you sell a position and it's just going through and basically it takes a few days to confirm and actually sell. Then the unsettled cash will move into your withdrawable cash. And reserved cash, I'm not, so that's for queued orders. So if you put in an order in market close, that counts as a queued order. So that is reserved cash for that queued order out of the market hours. And at the bottom here, you would link your sort of everyday debit bank account, and that will allow you then to simply put money into your Freetrade account. But as far as usability, I say I've been using it since July, and I've loved it, to be fair. It's very simple, it makes the whole process seamless, easy to use, and it's very user friendly. Especially, I've had stocks and shares accounts before, and I've used quite a few. This is definitely the most sort of entry-level friendly one I've used. So yeah, I would definitely recommend using it. Another cool feature of Freetrade as well is that they give out free shares for recommending friends and people to the platform. So my link is actually in the description below. So if you go and create an account and use that link, I will get a free share worth up to £200, and so will you, just for literally using that link and signing up to the platform. And there are literally no fees associated with the platform at all. To activate the free share, you will need to just invest a small sum into the platform to invest, but you could literally invest that money, pull it out, get a free share and sell that as well. But yeah, that's another cool feature. It's just, you know, rewarding people for putting your trust in their platform. To summarise then, I would definitely recommend Freetrade to anyone within the UK that's looking to start investing in stocks and shares. I would definitely recommend it over other platforms like I've mentioned in this video, like Interactive Investor, Hargreaves Lansdown, purely for the fact that Freetrade have such low fees. In the general investment account, there are 0 fees. So if you just want to start investing and testing it out, you could just open a general investment account and put a couple of £100 in there, or it doesn't even have to be that much. Just having a go and learning by doing, instead of just watching videos on people investing and not actually doing it yourself. This is the perfect platform for you to get started and actually do this properly. That pretty much wraps up this video, guys, so thanks for watching, and if you found the video helpful, please give it a like down below, and be sure to comment any questions that you may have as well. And as I mentioned earlier, there's a link in the description where you can get your first free share using the Freetrade platform. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.